Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the fundamentals. Verify the Motec Acc firmware and license so features match instructions. Once done, connect your laptop via CAN and a shielded USB-C cable. This gives reliable, low-noise telemetry. Make sure ignition is on and battery reads about 12. 6V unstable voltage causes calibration errors. You should also ground any aftermarket sensors now. Consistent reference prevents drift. This gets you into the configuration screen quickly, leaving more time for tuning rather than chasing connection problems. Next, map each input channel: wheel speed, steering angle, brake pressure, and yaw. You do this to ensure ACC receives correct signals for slip and control logic. Then set sample rates, for example 500 Hz for wheel speed to capture fast transients and 100 Hz for pressure to reduce noise. Once mapped, run static calibration first, then a controlled dynamic run at low speed. This trains the algorithms. Make sure to save the configuration as Profile 1 so you can revert or iterate quickly. For final tuning, adjust control gains slowly, increase one parameter at a time, and observe behavior. You do this because compounded changes hide cause and effect. Then test in low-risk conditions, logging each run and comparing lap-to-lap telemetry to spot trends. Use the logging to refine damping and feed-forward terms until behavior is consistent. If the system becomes unstable, first check CAN termination and ground loops. Next, verify sensor offsets. Most faults are wiring or reference issues, not software.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.